artists. Today, let's draw something super fun. Peppa Pig as Sprunki. Let's put on our creative hats and make this piglet come to life. Come learn with me. Sprunki's toy might be standing proudly, like a true hero. If you had a Sprunki toy, where would you display it? On your desk? On your favorite shelf? Peppa's cheerful and brave expression is perfectly sculpted to inspire courage. Do you think Sprunki should have a catchphrase on her box? What would it say? Maybe Giggles to the rescue. The eyes of Peppa Pig are open now. She's enjoying exploring her surroundings. The Sprunki figure might be made of super tough material to withstand imaginary hero adventures. Some Sprunki model toys could even have moving arms or removable capes. If the toy had moving parts, what would you want it to do? Wave? Spin her cape? Cool! Our Sprunki Peppa Pig model toy drawing is ready. Now, let's give her some bold superhero colors. Pick your brightest crayons or markers and make Peppa Pig and her outfit pop with life. The toy could include mini gadgets like a superhero badge or a tiny flashlight. The Sprunki toy might sparkle with metallic or glitter colors to stand out. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button for more fun drawing adventures. Imagine the whole gang as superheroes to create your heroic toy set. This toy would look amazing on a shelf or desk, inspiring you every day to be your best. What kind of accessories should come with the Sprunki model toy? Maybe a mini sidekick, like George. What would your superhero toy name be? Let's hear your creative ideas. Would you play with your Sprunki toy, or would you keep it safe to display? What would you choose? That's nice! Our Sprunki model toy drawing looks amazing! We've turned Peppa into the perfect superhero figure. Now it's time to show it off! Sprunki says, "Keep up the great work, little heroes." See you next time for another fun drawing adventure.